I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the file and saving a backup copy. This preserves the original. Next, go straight to Review and open the comments pane so you can see every note. Viewing them all is essential. Make sure Track Changes is off, because otherwise new markup will reappear as you edit. Once done, scan the pane to confirm comment locations and scope. This shows you what to delete and why each comment exists, so you remove only what you intend. With the comments pane visible, delete individual comments by selecting a comment and choosing Delete from the Review tab or right-click menu. This is ideal when you want to keep some feedback. For wholesale cleanup, choose Review right arrow delete all comments in document. This removes every comment in one action and saves time. Once you remove comments, scroll through the document to confirm text alignment and spacing. If comments were anchored to text, make sure surrounding formatting remained intact before moving on. Finish by accepting or rejecting any track changes so markup won't reappear when comments are removed. Then save or export a PDF to lock content. After that, run Inspect Document via File right arrow info right arrow check for issues to remove hidden comments and personal data. If comments still reappear, copy the visible content into a new blank document. This strips embedded metadata and forces a clean file. If problems continue, check Shared Document Settings or Cloud Sync. Those can restore older comment versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.